Good morning everyone. Today it is Saturday and tomorrow we are actually going on a little family holiday, family getaway. We're going to Italy, we're going to Rome, and we're not going to Rome because it's been like on our wish list for long and we really wanted to go, but we're going to Rome actually because it is the only place where both us and my parents and my partner's parents from Romania can land at a similar time with a direct flight, and we can all meet somewhere in Europe. So that's the plan, that's where we're gonna go. And today is just gonna be a prep day. So right now I am parked with my boyfriend who is near me. I am parked at my regular beauty salon. I'm just gonna go get my arms waxed and get my brows waxed and tinted, just as a prep. And then we're gonna go and get coffee at a really nice place around here in Milton Keynes, and then I'm gonna go home. I have a bunch of stuff to do. I need to pack, I need to clean the house, I need to edit and post videos for the following week. So it's gonna be a very busy day and I'm gonna take you with me throughout the day, but right now I'm gonna go into the salon. Parked my ride. I went to the coffee shop. I did a little bit of work, about an hour, and I was meant to go to the cinema because it's World Cinema Day, but there are no good movies that are playing in the morning. So what I've done instead, I've changed my plan for the day. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna finish what I have to do, pack, clean the house, everything that I've told you about, and then in the evening we're gonna go to the cinema. So I still don't want to miss out on that £4 ticket. Test 1, 2, 3. This is my trusty microphone that I always use to do my voice recordings, and I've just came home. I've parked my ride, I told you, but it was so cold outside. It definitely feels like it's already autumn. Now I'm gonna record and I'm gonna edit and I'm gonna post and I'm gonna do thumbnails and I'm gonna get everything ready from a creative point of view because that is the priority right now. And then I will get on to do the house, the cleaning, everything, so I can go to the cinema. It is very important that I go and see at least one movie. I was hoping to see 2, but I'll accept 1. And this is why, it's so cool when there's national days like this, because if they were to do this every single day and lower the prices of cinema tickets, I'm sure people would go. But for example, Odeon is something like £20 almost for a ticket. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna pay £20 to see a movie when I can just wait and watch it online. So that's why I want to take advantage today. Let's jump back into it. I've done my scripts at the cafe so I can just record them peacefully. Let's jump into it and then we'll catch up later. My video edit is done. It took me a little while longer to do it, but now it's done. So I'll export it. And I'm actually not gonna film the second one. I mean, it's already filmed. I'm not gonna edit it because this goes live on the 4th of September. So I come back on the 4th of September and then I have plenty of time to edit that one. So I'm gonna prioritize something else now. I'm gonna upload this, export it, upload it onto YouTube and get it ready and do the thumbnail and everything to make sure it's live. And then we're gonna start cleaning the house and packing for the trip. Okay, so there are 3 very important steps that I need to do in order to go to the cinema and be able to watch 2 movies, which are: step 1, fixing the kitchen. It is a mess and I want to make it, well, not a mess basically. Step 2, finishing packing up. I'll try to do both mine and my boyfriend's bag, but I don't know 100% what he wants to take, so I'll just start his bag and I'll finish mine. And then step 3 is gonna be hoovering the entire house and making sure, tidying all the spaces and stuff. So let's start. Let's not waste any time. Let's start with the kitchen, and I'm gonna do a time lapse for you guys in case you like cleaning montages. Okay, that actually only took me 10 minutes. I've swept the floors, I've washed all the dishes, put them in the dishwasher actually. I need to take the trash out, but I'll do that tonight so I can throw away Simba's litter alongside that. Because the worst thing you can do before you go on holiday is to leave the trash with like trash in it, because it will smell a lot. I washed my siren pan and now I've put it on the fire because it needs to like be extremely dry basically. I'm gonna put some water in the water filter so we can drink some water, and then later on today after we cook dinner I'm gonna see what else needs to be thrown away from the fridge. There's not much. I don't think I'm gonna throw anything away because most of the stuff we've ate throughout the week. So part one, kitchen is done. Let me close my trash. It doesn't even close properly, but that's fine. Part one's done. I have some recycling that I'm gonna throw away afterwards. Now let's move to part two, which is packing. Okay, so packing for a short trip like this is actually super simple. I'm gonna get my bum bag. I have one backpack, two backpacks, and that's it. And I've got one dress that I'm gonna be wearing on the fourth and final day. I have a top that I will take with me to the Vatican because you need to cover yourself. I have a third dress that I'll be taking with me. And I have this dress as well that I think I might wear tomorrow on the flight. And then an additional one, which is not really Rome, but it's very summery, so I might take it with me. I'm not gonna be taking any pants because it's summer and I want to enjoy it, and I'll be wearing pants every damn day in the UK, so I'm not gonna take any pants with me. I have my PJ as well, and then if I'm wearing that dress, I'm gonna take another dress with me, which I was planning to wear on the airplane, but it works better this way. And it's this super long, super flowy dress. I'm actually gonna wear it to the Vatican because it's long and it works. Doesn't have sleeves, but I have that bolero thingy, so I think it will work quite nice. Okay, I brought you in here because this is my new like area to get ready. I know I've told you guys that I've been really into like rediscovering my joy for makeup, so I bought the stuff that I was missing and I've completed like my collection. So now it is very hard to take stuff with me because usually I would have so little stuff that I would just take everything with me because it wouldn't be that much anyways. But I have my bags. I love to save bags. I know you can find bags at the airport, but I just like to reuse them until they break. But let's see what we're gonna be taking. This is my entire makeup kit, so it's not huge. It's a lot bigger than I used to have. Primer, no. Lip liner, yes. Blush, yes. Foundation, yes. Another mascara, nope. Concealer, yes. Face cream with SPF, absolutely. Brow pen, yes. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner while I'm there because it's gonna be super hot. We're gonna be walking the entire day. It's gonna look bad by the end of the day, so no. These are some more lipsticks. I'm gonna take this one. And I'm gonna take this one. And I think that's it. Nice. Everything fits nicely. So that's gonna be my makeup kit. And then everything else that's not liquid, I still take with me, but I don't have to put it in toiletries bag. So that is all of these lip liners and eyebrow stuff. I'll put it in here. I also have some cotton buds in here as well. Oh, and I need to take my makeup remover as well, but I'm gonna throw that in my boyfriend's. All done here. And that's kind of it for this one. So I just have a couple of bracelets, some earrings, my earrings that I'm gonna wear, and hair ties and hair clips and stuff. So let's close it up. I need to charge it actually, so I'm not gonna close it up. So part 3 was supposed to be hoovering, but you just saw me put the hoover back because I decided I'm not gonna hoover, I'm just gonna tidy because it's already 2:30 and I don't need to hoover. Like I just want to hoover to come back to a clean house, but I might as well just hoover when I come back because I'm gonna come back in the middle of the day. It's not gonna be late at night, so it's fine. Let's just tidy in here.
the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water.
That was literally like the speediest clean. It wasn't even a clean, it was just a quick tidy of like the pillows and the cushions and the stuff, and a quick dusting of this table, and you know, everything's kind of in a nice place. This is stuff we have to sell, so I just piled them all around there. These are my stuff that I need to use today. So now it is about 2:30-ish. I'm gonna actually go to Odeon, and on the website, not physically, and I'm gonna see what movies they have. I'm first gonna go to Tesco because I need to pick up a Vinted order with a jacket that I could use today. And then I'm gonna go to the cinema. I kind of rushed to go to the cinema earlier to see more films, but I didn't check the fact that there's a gap in the films. Like the one that I wanted to watch had a film at 2:30, and then another one at 5:30. So now it's 3, and I have to wait for the 5:30 one. And I checked the other cinema because we have 2 cinemas in Milton Keynes, although I would prefer to go to Odeon because I don't usually go there. But that's fine. I will continue everything that I was planning to do after I come back. So I might Hoover, not sure about that. I'll walk to the Tesco's first to get my jacket and I'll come back. And then I'll go to the 5:30 one. I'll book some tickets for that one. Snacks have been acquired. I got a bottle of water, popcorn, and some sweets. Parcel has been acquired as well. This is my leather jacket of Vinted. And the weather is very much September weather already, although September 1st is tomorrow. Lovely! Very nice. I love it! Was it? I think it's less than £10 that I paid for this, and it's brand new, like you can see on it. It's been worn like maybe a couple of times. I love it. It's a perfect autumn weather jacket. Right now, I'm just gonna chill, play some teamfight tactics, just not think about anything for a minute. My film is at 5:10. It's currently 3:30. I'm probably gonna leave it around like 4:30. And yeah, that's the plan. I'm having some lovely time with my cat that, of course, he heard something, so now he's gonna go and check it out. It's okay. It's okay, it's just a neighbor's car. Watching a vlog, playing teamfight tactics, cuddling with Simba, and then I'm gonna get ready to go in about like 20 minutes. Not the most luxurious outfit with this coat, but it's saying it might rain in 10 minutes, and it's about like 20 minutes for me to get there, so I'd better be safe than sorry. And there's my ride on someone's drive. Just left the cinema now, and it feels so good to have had such a lovely solo date day. I am walking back to my line because my boyfriend has just gotten home, so I'm gonna go by myself, and yeah, I'm heading that way. I got home and I just chatted a little bit with my boyfriend because he had a very long and busy and bad day at work. So we did help that I helped him today with like his baggage and the luggage and stuff. So that being said, I personally had the best day. I had an ultimate like self-care day without even being about self-care. Like, it was a very productive day. I did a lot of my to-do lists and I just enjoyed my company, and I think that it's very, very important because it took me a while to be able to enjoy my solitude and to be able to enjoy a weekend on my own or a day on my own, because I was so used to like always having someone around me that I felt very uncomfortable when it was just me and myself. But no more. I had the best day and I am so ready for this holiday now. All of my nerves are gone because I relaxed so much today. I did a lot of scootering around, so my head is a little bit doing this because the roads in MK are not usually very, very smooth when you're on a scooter. But again, that's totally fine. I will actually close the vlog here because now I need to get ready for bed and get ready to go to Rome tomorrow. And yes, you should expect a Rome vlog right after this one that will follow with everything that we've been up to and every amazing food that I'm sure we're gonna have. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. And please, if you enjoyed my content, I would appreciate it so much if you would like the video and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you also went to the cinema on Cinema World Day or National Cinema Day, whatever it was called. There was so many queues at the cinema. I've never seen it as busy as today. It was amazing. This is how the cinema should be all the time. Please lower cinema tickets. I make this petition right now. But anyway, I will leave you for today. I'm gonna go and get ready for bed. I need to wash my hair as well because it's a little bit dirty. But that being said, have a lovely evening or morning whenever you're watching. And I shall see you guys next time in the Rome vlog. Bye!